Welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you high protein breakfast recipe. This is very easy and simple recipe. You can make it in just 10 minutes. So let's go and make our breakfast. Half cup carrots add into your mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup bell pepper, 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 100 gram ground beef without fat, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper. I like chickpea flour, so I add 2 tablespoons chickpea flour. If you like corn flour, you can add 2 tablespoons corn flour. I mean corn flour, not cornstarch, because some people confuse corn flour and cornstarch. Mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon marinated mixture into your pan. It is better if you use non-stick pan. Sprinkle the sesame. Let's cook it on each side for 2 minutes. Your high protein breakfast is ready. If you like my video, do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.